meditation for calming anxiety and connecting to inner strength. Find a quiet place without interruptions. Either sit or lay in whatever way makes you comfortable at the moment. Allow yourself to settle into this space. Gently close your eyes and take a moment to just be. Begin by taking a deep, grounding breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Feel the coolness of the air as it enters your body. Hold this breath for a moment at the top, then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or worry. Repeat this 3 times, each breath deeper than the last, exhaling fully any tension or worry. Releasing anxiety. As you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, visualize each breath in, gathering your anxious thoughts and feelings. As you exhale, imagine releasing these anxieties, letting them flow out of you, dissipating into the air. They are no longer yours to worry about. Breathe them out into the universe to dissipate and dissolve. With every breath, feel yourself becoming lighter and more relaxed. Embrace your inner being. Focusing now on the center of your chest, your heart space. Visualize a small flame here, glowing softly. This flame represents your inner being, your intuition, wisdom, and strength. With each breath, feel this flame grow brighter and warmer. Know that everything you need is already within you. Trust in your inner guidance. Affirming self-trust. Silently repeat to yourself, I trust in my intuition. I have all I need within me. I am calm. I am confident. I am connected with source energy. Feel these words resonating within you, affirming your connection to your inner being and source energy. Take a few more deep breaths, enjoying the peace and calm you've cultivated. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring movement back into your body and slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm and trust with you, reminding yourself throughout the day of your own inner strength and the connection to the source that guides you.